Assalamu alaikum. In this video, I'll show you how to install pycharm on Windows 10 machine. If you are new to channel, please subscribe the channel. First of all, we'll go to your browser and search pycharm. When you search pycharm, the official website of JetBrains comes and click on here, download pycharm. Now download the pycharm version according to your need, professional or community. If you download the professional one, then there is a 1 month free trial for you. Then you have to buy the keys, and this one is completely free, open source. I download this one for time saving. You can download. So now go to your download folder. You can see here my PyCharm is downloaded here. Now click on PyCharm setup. Now click on yes. Click on next. Now here you can select the path like according to your setup. I using default path. Click on next. Now here you can create shortcut keys on desktop of 64-bit launcher or 32-bit launcher. It's up to you. You want to create shortcut on desktop or not. Now click on next and just click on install. It's take a little time. If you are using Python and you need any help, go to my channel Allround and you find the videos of Python, different package installation, and different errors. And if you have any query, you can comment below. We'll try our best to help you out. You can watch videos from here, different package installation, different. So
Assalamualaikum. Today I'll show you how to install.
if you are new to channel, subscribe the channel. I am pausing video here. Now you select here, run PyCharm and click on finish. Just take a little time while first running. Now if you want to import settings or previous installation of PyCharm, if you are already installed, click on this. And if you don't want to this, you have new installed on the PyCharm on your device, and you just click on OK and wait. Now if you want to understand the UI of PyCharm, then click on next feature, and if you want to skip, just go to main screen, click on skip. Now here I'll show you how to create first project, and then your Python. Now here you can select the path as well as the name of project, demo first. Now click on create. Click on allow access. Let's take a little time. Now our first project is created. Demo. First project you can see here. It will take a little time. Scanning already installed packages. Now it's done. Now here click on the project name directory you can see and right click create Python file and demo. I write the name of the first page demo. Now our first page is created. Now I'll creating printing just right click run in console. Let's take a little time while these are updating. You can visit our website allroundzone.com. You can find all procedures step by step, and you can find other information about anaconda and pycharm and other ideas for python. So visit our website allround.com. The link is given in the description. Once this process is complete, you can see here run demo. This option will active and will run the project. Anaconda is also a good python IDE. So if you want to install or use anaconda, uh, you can visit the channel playlist of python and get the details of anaconda python. Just take a little time. Process is running. If you have a query about Python, PHP, or any programming language, you can comment below. We'll try our best to help you out. Just take a little time. I'm pausing video here until it's complete. Now you can see our process is completed. Right click here and you click on run demo. Down here you can see demo for YouTube. We print demo for YouTube and you can see down here in demo. So good luck guys. If you have any query or suggestion, feel free to comment below.